Okay, guys, I'm gonna be dumping water on my brother's head, and he's gonna dump it on my head.
Because every month, if we don't get 1,000 subscribers, we get water dumped in our head.
And this is Minnie Mouse.
Is it cold, Minnie? Oh, she says it's cold.
Guys, me. So
Why
let's
would you
get to
do
it.
it?
So, guys, this is the water, and this is the person. Dump, 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 dump. Oh,
Were you trying to get on his shirt?
yeah.
Okay, guys, now it's my turn to dump water on my revenge.
Let go of me. Are you going? Yeah. Okay. Okay, good.
Okay, every month, if we don't get 1,000 subscribers by that month, we have to get water dumped in our head. Every time, bigger cups.
You're gonna trip.
In this
Bye.